Bandara Bali Utara, saya sudah menyampaikan bahwa saya berkomitmen, saya ingin membangun North Bali International Airport. Kita akan bikin the new Singapore, the new Hong Kong. Bekerja keras dan kita harus berani berpikir yang besar, berani berpikir yang orang lain mengatakan tidak mungkin, kita buktikan mungkin.
North Bali has long been a place of connection. Its northern shore was among the first to welcome traders and spiritual figures from across the Nusantara, bringing new ideas and cultural exchange. Today, that spirit continues in President Prabowo's vision, a new airport to strengthen Bali's role as a gateway while carrying its legacy into the future. Presented by PT Bibu Panji Sakti and designed by Alien DC, North Bali International Airport. Designed to redefine standards, the airport is envisioned as a global icon. Just 75 kilometers from Ngurah Rai International Airport, the new airport will welcome 30 million passengers a year, easing pressure as Ngurah Rai nears capacity by 2026. To support this, Bali is building new infrastructure to improve island-wide access with areas along the plain toll road and railway set to benefit most. Its design follows Trihita Karana, the Balinese principle of harmony, balance with God, with nature, and with humanity. In that spirit, it is technology-friendly, with smart systems and seamless digital services. It is also environmentally friendly, integrating green energy, water management, and nature-inspired design, linked by an airport railing and bus rapid transit with EV-friendly access. The terminal brings together check-in, departure, arrival, and baggage claim, all connected to a transit hub with a strong rural focus, ready to serve 6 million domestic and 24 million international passengers each year. On the eastern side of the site, an additional seaplane airport near Aeropolis expands its reach, strengthening regional connectivity and opening new possibilities for eco-friendly air mobility. In Balinese mythology, Bedawang Nala is the fiery cosmic turtle that carries the world, guarded by the sacred serpents Ananta Boga and Basuki. The spirit of balance lives on in the airport design. More than a getaway, it stands as a guardian of harmony, echoing the timeless philosophy of Bali. Inside, flowing curves and organic forms echo lives rhythm, where the airport is cultural friendly, celebrating Balinese artistry and spirit, natural light, and craftsmanship shape an atmosphere that blends tropical warmth with international standards, modern yet rude. The undulating ceiling, inspired by the ocean and adorned with sea turtles, symbols of long journeys and sustainability. Chosen local material are crafted to support the artisans of North Bali. The philosophy of Burloka comes to life through tree-like structures and flowing water, reflecting the harmony between humanity and the universe. Inspired by temple forms and the values of Trihita Karana, create a space that unites spirituality, social connection, and closeness to nature. The concept of Bedawang Nala is expressed through traditional patterns, lush greenery, and circular layout that blends Balinese culture with modern comfort. This is more than architecture. It is a cultural landmark, an airport reimagined as an artful experience. North Bali International Airport, not just an airport, we are Artport.